हाय एवरीवन। मैं जस्ट एक अपडेट देना चाहता हूँ। मैंने UUID जनरेटर बनाया है। ओके, यूजिंग रिएक्ट। ओके, आपको सोर्स कोड मिल जाएगा। अगर आप इफ़ यू वांट सोर्स कोड, आपको इधर रिएक्ट है, इसके अंदर UUID जनरेटर, यू विल गेट दिस कोड। ओके, सो बेसिकली करता क्या है, नथिंग, जस्ट यू रिफ्रेश एवरी टाइम। इफ़ यू रिफ्रेश, you will get the random UUID generator. Okay, and the basic some information, nothing much. And if you want to use extension, okay, so इसके अंदर एक functionality है copy and refresh till now. Later I will add the, like last 5 UID generator, it will be display here. Okay, so that if you take a reference, it will be there. And apart from that, I have extension also. If you want to use, I can deploy. If anyone comment, then I will deploy. Okay, so basically here it will create a UID generator and you can copy and see, and you can paste. Okay, so you can use the extension also, so free from the ad and free from the website. Okay, and apart from that, I have one more extension. Okay, so basically this is screenshot. Okay, so if you click screenshot, it will take a screenshot and it will download. Okay, and if you open, the one cool thing, you will get the like date and time as well when you take this screenshot. So you will get when you took this one. And okay, so this is just two update I want to give. Okay. Every time if you refresh, you will get the random, okay, UID generator. And this is a version 4. Okay, so basically version 4, version 2, version 1, like that. So this is one is the version 4. Okay. If you want to use, please let me know in a comment section. I will deploy it on internet, so you can use. So it will be ad free and simple to use. And big shout out to Hitesh sir, उनसे इंस्पिरेशन लेके मैंने बनाया. ओके, सो थैंक यू, दिस मच ओनली. बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.